Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today, we will be learning about contractions through a video and through a practice, just like we did yesterday. So that's how we'll be doing it, and why? Because contractions help us become better readers, and it helps us become better writers. So first things first is I want to practice what contractions are to you, and I have a brain pop with Moby, and I think you're really gonna like it. But first, I want you to think about our phonics video from yesterday and the words that you saw with the apostrophes. Here we go.
Moby, didn't you read the sign? Please don't touch. That's a contraction. A contraction is a word formed by combining two or more words, leaving out sounds or letters. We use contractions all the time when we speak. They're faster and easier to say. How do you form a contraction? The word don't is a contraction for do not. First combine do not and take out the O. Then you add an apostrophe, which is a kind of punctuation mark. The apostrophe in a contraction tells you where the missing letters or sounds are. So do not becomes don't. You can do the same things to change could not to couldn't, is not to isn't, did not to didn't, and have not to haven't. But the contraction for will not doesn't follow the pattern. Its contraction is won't. As in, I won't tell anyone you touch the blocks. What are contractions with am, are, and is? It sure is cold outside. I am drinking hot cocoa. You can change I am to a contraction by combining the words, dropping the A, and adding an apostrophe. I'm drinking hot cocoa. You are eating warm soup. You can turn you are into a contraction. You're eating warm soup. Mia is making tea. This sentence can change to Mia's making tea. Hey, let's play in the snow. What are contractions that use have, has, and had? You have made one snowball. You can turn you have into a contraction. Combine the words, drop the letters H-A, and add an apostrophe to form you've. You've made one snowball. Hey. You should have ducked. You can change should have into a contraction. You should have ducked. You had better watch out. You had can form the contraction you'd. You'd better watch out. Hey, who threw that? Uh-oh. Mia has made a bunch of snowballs. You can turn Mia has into a contraction. Mia's made a bunch of snowballs. Some contractions look the same. Well, the contractions in these two sentences look similar, but they mean different things. She's on the phone. When you read a contraction, try breaking it apart. It doesn't make sense to say, she has on the phone. She is on the phone. There are a lot of blocks to set back up. Don't worry, Moby. You will do it in a snap. I can change you will to a contraction. You'll do it in a snap. Oops, it's important to proofread and make sure you put the apostrophe in the right place.
Okie dokie. So what I want you to do right now is I want you to get a piece of paper. All right, get a piece of paper. Pause the video if you need to. Okay, so I want you to label that paper 1 through 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There I am. There I am. Okay, put this video on pause if you need some more time. You are going to answer my questions 1 through 10. 1 through 10. So get ready. Okay. I'm thinking of a word that is a contraction. It has 2 L's. It rhymes with smile. Put that on number 1. I'm thinking of a word that is a contraction. It has 2 L's. It rhymes with smile. What word is it? I will help you with this first one. If you put aisle, you are exactly right. Now here we go. Here we go. Movement on. Movement on. Number 2. I'm thinking of a word that has 4 letters and 2 syllables. 2 syllables. It rhymes with the word cherry. Cherry. I'm thinking of a word that has 4 letters and 2 syllables. It rhymes with cherry. Cherry. Put that on number 2. Pause this video if you need to. And you know what, Miss Marcel, we're not gonna do 10. We're gonna go to 5 because you already have a lot of assignments to do today. So we're gonna go to 5. All right, number 3. I'm thinking of a word that has 3 letters. It ends with the letter T. It ends with the letter T. I'm thinking, number 4, I'm thinking of a word that has 3 syllables. It is made up of 2 words put together. It is made up of 2 words put together. It is made up of 2 words that put together, and it has 3 syllables. Number 4. All right, moving on to number 5, our last one. I'm thinking of a word that starts with the letter L. It rhymes with give. What word is that? All right, boys and girls, take a picture of this and send it in to me. I hope that you have a wonderful day. See you later. Bye.